Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install CapCut laptop PC. Open the Windows Store. When you do, search for CapCut. Click on the official app. When you do so, click on the button, Install. Wait for the application to download. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once downloaded, wait for it to be installed locally. When it is finished, you will see that it has been successfully installed. From the search box, open CapCut. Wait for it to be configured to access the utility. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.